India's biggest ever IPO in the auto component segment, that is Sona BLW Precision Forgings Limited IPO, opens today and you have the chance to subscribe for it till 16th of June. The IPO size is 5,550 crores, out of which 300 crores is for the fresh issue and the rest of the amount will be given to its existing promoters, which is a Singapore-based entity backed by PE major Blackstone. And after the issue, this promoter's stake will be reduced from 66.3% to 34.2%. The price band of the IPO is from 285 to 291 rupees, and just ahead of the IPO we see good book building from the anchor allotment, where the company managed to raise around 2,498 crores. In the anchor allotment we have total of 24 FPIs, 11 domestic mutual funds, 5 life insurance companies and 2 AIFs participating in. Just to highlight some of the names, then Government of Singapore Investment Corporate, that is GIC, and Monetary Authority of Singapore together made an investment of more than 400 crores. The other FPI name includes Nomura Asset Management, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs Asset Management and others. And in the domestic names we have good mutual funds names coming in, like the likes of SBI, Axis, Birla, HDFC, Mirai, Kotak and many other names that we see in the book building of Sona. The financial holds very strong for the company, and now let's know what the company actually does. So the company is one of the leading India's automotive technologies companies. It's into designing, manufacturing and supplying of automotive system and components. It supplies various OEMs in the domestic markets and global markets as well. The chief product line includes the differential gears, differential assemblies, micro-hybrid motors and conventional starter motors. The company has total of 9 manufacturing units, out of which 6 are based in India. And just to highlight its leadership position, from the Indian units, the company supply products to 6 out of top 10 global passenger vehicle OEMs, 3 out of top 10 global CV OEMs and 7 out of top 8 tractor OEMs by volume. So you get a sense that the company's global OEMs customer portfolio is strong, wherein the company drives around 75% of its sales from its overseas markets. In the domestic market, the revenue contribution from here is around 25%, and the customer portfolio is also very strong, where the company includes names like Ashok Leyland, Maruti Suzuki, M&M and quite many others. The revenue contribution, if we just have a look, then the passenger vehicle contributes around 70%, commercial vehicle contributes around 14%, and off-highway vehicle segment contributes around 18% to its overall revenue. One aspect that makes this IPO and the company very unique is the upcoming mega opportunity or electrification that the company is exploring, where it provides a very strong play. As of FY21, the company obtained around 40% of its revenue from the electrified platforms, including 14% from pure battery EVs. The company commands around 8.7% global market share in the battery electric vehicles differential assemblies, and currently in the domestic market it is a very prominent player in the electric two-wheeler, supplying traction motors to the domestic OEMs, and the company is very optimistic on this segment. The market leadership holds strong in the domestic and the international markets. And now, when we know that what the company is doing, let's have a look at what the brokerage firms are suggesting on this IPO. So they feel that it is a very exciting play on electrification, and this company possesses very healthy financial strength. The margins are very strong for the company, but the valuation proposed are rich for them. Nevertheless, they feel that the company offers a good investment case on the back of the strong growth prospects, and accordingly they recommend to subscribe the stock for long term, where we have names like Choice Broking, Nirmal Bank and ICICI Securities are some of the brokers that are recommending their clients to subscribe and go for this IPO for long term purpose.